This is the Navigon 2120 GPS, a svelte little guy. This is a very, very cool GPS unit. 3.5-inch screen, totally portable. It's got great battery life, and if you don't have a GPS yet, well, it's time to step into the future with all of us that have one, because these really do simplify your life, and they make driving a significantly less stressful event. I mean, how often do you have to drive somewhere, you don't know where you're going, you pull out MapQuest, and you end up 3 hours south of where you intended to go to begin with. This will make sure that never happens again. You never have to pre-plan all your directions. You just get in the car, enter in the address, and off you go. One of the other great things, you're never going to be freaking out trying to figure out where the closest gas station is, where the closest parking is. It's all built right in to the Navigon 2120 GPS. And it just so happens that this is extremely easy to use. Anybody from any age can operate this GPS without any problem at all. Plus, it has built-in text-to-speech, which means it will actually read to you your directions as you go, so you don't have to take your eyes off the road. So instead of saying take a left in 4 miles or in 40 feet, it'll say take a left on Flower Hill Boulevard, and so you know exactly where you're going. It gives you specific directions, which is very, very nice. Now, let me go ahead and show you how small and awesome this thing really is. It's so portable, you can literally take it from car to car. You can use it on a motorcycle. You can use it really anywhere. You can use it while walking if you want to, put it on your bike. It's very tiny. You'll be able to take it anywhere you want with you. Take a look at this. This is the screen right here. It's got a 3.5-inch touch display, which gives you full access to the entire interface, and we'll show you that in just a second. On the bottom, you're going to find just a single connector, and that is the USB connector. That's used to power the device, and it does include the necessary hardware to power the device in your car through your cigarette adapter. Over on the side, you find an SD card slot. That is where all of your map data is stored on this device, right there on that SD slot. And on the top, you find just a couple things here. We have one plug for an external GPS antenna if you need it, which you probably won't, and the power button located right there. Now, the interface is an absolute breeze. You're presented with just a few options when you start up the device, and that is to enter in a new destination, go to your saved destination. So if you have common destinations you'd like to get to, you can enter all those in there. Take Me Home means it's going to immediately take you back to your home address from wherever you are, or of course you can simply push the Show Map button and it will give you a visual representation of where you currently are. Now, to navigate to a destination, you simply push the New Destination button, and you can get immediate access to your closest and most used points of interest. Of course, we're going to search for a gas station here, and we are going to find the closest gas station to where we currently are. It will calculate the route. You can see there's one right nearby, and it will tell you exactly how to get there simply by pushing the Start Navigation button. Now, this device does have both 2D and 3D views, so you're going to be able to get a really accurate representation of where you are and where you're going. Now, this device definitely has a huge collection of points of interest, so you're never going to have any difficulty finding exactly where it is you want to go. It's also very small, very portable, battery powered, and includes all the accessories that you need in order to get this thing hooked up in your car, including the power cable and the mounting arm, so you can attach this directly to the windshield in your vehicle. Really, definitely a no-brainer. It's inexpensive. You're never going to get lost again. It's the Navigon 2120. To get more info on the Navigon 2120 Auto GPS, do a search for N224-1056 in any major search engine.